So how do I do when all the three combinations are there? How do I find the general solution for a given differential equation when all the three terms are there? If they are there with the, just listen, if they are there like this, 8x squared plus e power 2x plus sine 2x, what exactly I will do is, I will take yp to be 1 by f of d into all these terms and split yp1 to be 1 by f of d into 8x squared, yp2 to be 1 by f of d into e power 2x, and yp3 to be 1 by f of d into sine 2x. If they are there with a some plus sign, then I'll be splitting them like this, calculating all the three differently, and finally yp would be sum of all this, yp1 plus yp2 plus yp3. Okay. Now, it's not like that. They are there in multiplication. So how is it that what is it that I'll be taking first and then next, and all the things will come into picture. Okay. First, let me find yc, the complementary function. As known to all of you, it's very easy for this. First, I'll be writing auxiliary equation. The auxiliary equation would be m square minus 4m plus 4 is equal to 0. Roots are real and repeated. 2, 2 are the roots, real and repeated. Okay. So how will I write the solution? Yc is equal to c1 plus c2x. Whenever I have repeated roots, either real or imaginary, to obtain linearly independent solutions, I'll be writing the solution to be like this. Okay. Yeah. Now coming to how to find yp. To find yp. How do I find yp? I rewrite the equation as yp is equal to 1 by f of d into what's been given, 8x squared e power 2x sine 2x. Okay. Yeah. I also write what is f of d. It is nothing but d minus 2 whole square. 8x squared e power 2x sine 2x. If only 8 would have been there, I would have written 8 as e power 0x. But 8 is multiplied with different functions. So it can be brought out. It's a constant, so it can be written outside. Yeah. Now, first and foremost thing that I'll be doing is replacing d by d plus 2. E power 2x should be given the first priority always while finding solutions to differential equations, right? So what I'll be doing is 1 by, in the place of d, I'll be replacing 8 is there outside, d plus 2 minus 2 whole square. Okay, x. Of course, e power 2x is already operated, so I can bring it out to the left. X squared and sine 2x are remaining. Okay, so what is it that I do? These two get cancelled off. 8 e power 2x is there, and 1 by d squared, x squared sine 2x is there. Now, 1 by d, all of you should know that it's just the integral. Integral dx. Reciprocal of differentiation would be integration. With that, we will proceed. 1 by d is one time integration. D squared is twice integration. So I'll be going with the UV rule of integration, the Leibniz UV rule of integration. It would be something like this: uv1 minus u prime v2 plus u double prime v3 and so on. With alternative signs, it goes on and on. The suffixes denote integrations. Superfixes denote differentiations. Leibniz rule of integration, this is. Okay. According to the necessity of the terms, you usually be the one chosen using isolate. But then the best way to remember how to take u is that one which vanishes off after certain differentiations. U I'm differentiating, V I'm integrating. So U is the one that vanishes off after certain steps. So the number of terms in the Leibniz rule that I'll be considering would depend on U. Okay. So 1 by d would be outside only. first I'll be applying 1 by d, which would give me what? X squared. Sine 2x integration would be minus cos 2x by 2 minus integration of x squared derivative is 2x into, of course, I don't need to write this integral as well, according to Leibniz, minus 2x into second time integration of u1, okay, v1, okay, cos 2x integration would be sin x, but cos 2x already has a negative sign. Sin 2x by 2 into 2 is 4. There's one more term as well. That is 2x differentiation would be 2 into sin x differentiation is minus cos, integration is minus cos x. So cos 2x by 8 is what I will have. Okay. I need to integrate this once again, this term once again. Okay. Yeah. So it's a bit lengthy, not difficult. 8 e power 2x. Okay. 8 e power 2x. And I'll be integrating again. Right? I'll be integrating. Yeah. So x square is as it is. There's a minus sign. So cos x integration would be sin x only. Okay, 2 2's 4. First, I'll finish the UV rule of it and then come to the remaining things. Okay. Minus x squared derivative is 2x. Sin 2x is minus cos 2x. So cos 2x by 8. And final time, that would be what? 2 into cos x integration is sin by 8 to 16. Okay. This is the end of the first term integration. Now coming to the second term integration, there's a minus sign. Of course, yeah, there's a of course I can make it plus. So x into sin 2x minus cos 2x by 8 minus x derivative is 1 minus cos 2x integration would be minus sin 2x by 16. That ends the integration of the second term. The third term integration is very simple. Cos x integration would be sin. So 2 into sin 2x by 16 is what I will have. Okay. So finally, I'll simplify this to get my YP. This is how I'll be doing it. Okay. Yeah. So the final answer would be 8 e power 2x. I have done both x squared and sin 2x at a time because I had 1 by d squared. Okay. So what I'll be having would be, this is a minus sign. I'll take out common terms first and then write sin 2x by 4. Okay, sin 2x by 4. This again is 8 and this is also 8. So I'll be having 1 by 8 minus x squared by 4 into sin 2x minus, I can see here 2x cos 2x with a minus sign and then this also with a minus sign. So I'll be having x cos 2x by 2. Okay, and then this also. This is the only term. Okay, I've taken 8 as well inside for this. Okay, so what happens? 8 and 8 get cancelled off. Minus 2x plus x will give me minus x. Okay, because of which this is x to cos 2x by 2. And finally, if I take 8 inside, I'll be having plus sin 2x by 4. Okay, so this would be my answer. I can as well remove 8. I can as well remove 8 from the whole term. So e power 2x would be what? 3 minus 2x squared sine 2x minus 4x cos 2x would be my yp. General solution is yc plus yp. Make sure you write the complete answer. Otherwise, you will be losing marks. YC and YP together, you should write. Okay. That's it.